Sometimes life takes you on this story, right? Where the adventure's kind of pressed upon you, and the destination might not be of your choosing, it's just kind of placed there, ever present. And sometimes you find that distraction that takes you off trail, a new road. That's what I'm here to explore, one step at a time. So the best thing about a destination that's new, a trail that's new, is that the direction that you go can be new. And all it takes to learn, all it takes is just action inside of an environment with purpose. And just glad that, so many years of maybe, I wouldn't call poor decision-making, just interesting decision-making has now led to a new path. And I'm just excited to take this one step at a time and earn the top of the mountain one step at a time. And when I get there, it'll be one of those moments where it won't require much rest. It won't require much heavy breathing. It'll be something that will signify the beginning of many mountains to be conquered. So here's to conquering mountains. Good luck, my friends. Have fun.